Very good evening, guys. It's August here with the tutorial on creating web services. Okay, so last time most of you guys had the problem that I was using Visual Studio 2015, I mean, and you couldn't understand a lot of things that were happening there. So you wanted me to create this very same application using Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Okay, so last time we created this application, and now I'm gonna create the very same application using Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Okay, let's close that. So we're gonna create a new application. Okay, so this is the interface, the main primary interface of Visual Studio. Okay, uh, at first when you start working with this, it's gonna select like display everything like this. Okay, a new cool added feature that they've added onto Visual Studio 2019 is that you can filter. So you can select C# just to be on the same side. So it filters everything that you can create here. It's for C#. It's C# based in terms of the back end, the coding. Okay, so you don't make any mistakes, because most of the things that we can do in C# we can also do them in Visual Basic, which is almost the same thing. Okay, so when we create a web application, you do not select this first one. No, you scroll all the way down up until you find the .NET framework, and then you select that, and then you go to next. You can name it let's say web 1, and then let's say create, and then down here you can select the framework, but I would advise you stick to the latest. Okay, the default framework that will be selected down there. Okay, and then you wait for this to create. Oh, okay, and it okay, powerful. Let me close this once again because I created the wrong thing. Okay, I created the wrong thing. Is it? Did I? Okay, let's go ahead and create a new file, new project. It's C# platform doesn't matter. Let's see, what did I create? Okay, let's scroll all the way down. Oh, okay, I selected a Windows form, so I need to select ASP.NET Web Application. Okay, let's call it Web 1 and create. Okay, it's not gonna create because Web 1 is already there, so let's go ahead and just leave it the way it is. Okay, and be sure you select the correct one, because I selected this one, I remember very carefully. So be careful, select the web application, and then we go to create. Okay, and then it has an empty and a web form MVC web API single page application. You go and select the empty one, you leave it as empty, and then you select next. Now it's creating the application. Okay, powerful. There we go. There is our web application. It has been successfully created as web application. Okay, and then they continue to say in the document that we need cancel this. Okay, we did add the ASP.NET, okay, but then we didn't save it as that. Okay, and then now we need to go to the project and add a new item, which is web services template. Okay, so let's go ahead and right click, go to add, and let's go and select what new item. Okay, let's scroll all the way down to web services. There we go, there's our web services. And then they said we should name it as let's check the document because there's a specific. Okay, here's the name. Let's select this, copy that, and paste it there. Okay, and then we click on add. Okay, there we go. This is what this will display at first. Okay, and then it returns the hello world. Okay, and then the second instruction was for us to copy the code down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that up to here. We right click, we copy, and then we come down here, we replace everything in here, we paste the code, and then you delete this. Okay, now there we go, we are done. Okay, and then one of you guys asked me how do we install the IIS Express. As soon as you have Microsoft Visual Studio running, when you click on this to run on Google Chrome, it's your first time using this, it's gonna ask you to install a certificate. Okay, just install the certificate. Okay, and it's gonna run 100%. It's just that I've already installed the certificate. Okay, so let's wait for that to load. Okay, powerful. There we go. There it has the to lower and to upper method, and we can test those methods. This is 1:2, and it still has the exact same examples. Okay, there we go. Actually I entered the string as let's enter that as that, and then it changes everything to lower cases. Okay, and also this one does the to upper part of this application. Okay, so that's how we do this application using Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. I hope you guys see that there's no much difference between 2015 and 2019. Okay guys, thank you. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Cheers.